Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the second video on this channel, and today we're going to do a recap of the trades we potentially took this week from JJ and USD Chef. I mean, this is before PSG wins the UEFA Champions League. So we'll start with USD Chef in the one hour time frame, and Tanzia. Let me see on Monday. Monday iko wapi? Monday iko hapa. This is where Monday kidogo. That's Monday right there. Deadline tuingie 15. This week was a bit here and there. As I showed yesterday, we took these two trades on Monday and they were both losses. But hakuna kosa nilikuwa nimefanya. Everything was per as my strategy and they are genuine losses. My entry criteria ni ile tu bado. Waiting for Asian high to be taken. This is Asian high. This is an indicator I use. It was Asian range Nico 948. This is Asian kutoka sanani hadi 745. This is the Asian high. This is the Asian low. And since we were selling, the market is bearish. Kumaanisha inaenda chini. We expect Asian high to be taken. Then a candlestick to close below the EMA. This is the EMA. Another indicator that I use. EMA settings the length in 9. Moving average exponential 9 is the indicator I use. This is a moving average that I use. Wait for a candlestick to close below the EMA. And this is a doji candlestick, and I'm going to tell you why it's a doji candlestick. It's because this candlestick that closed is a doji candlestick. I took it nikijuanga ni doji because hapa juu candlestick ya 930 it was a bearish engulfing candlestick. Ilikuwa engulf the two other candlesticks, hizi doji mbili. So giving me confidence that nikisell hata kama ni doji itakuwa sawa. I took the sell stop loss 10 pips, targeting 30 pips to a 1:3, but unfortunately nikatolewa and took another trade, the same entry, the same criteria, but they were both losses unfortunately. And after that kuna change of character, so I just unjust, making me so confused on Tuesday, or rather on Wednesday. That was actually on Tuesday, not on Monday. That was actually on Tuesday. On Monday, never took any trade because we are selling, we expect the Asian high to be taken first, but this time round the Asian low was taken, meaning no trades. On Tuesday, the two losses that nimetoka kuelezea. On Wednesday, since there's a change of character, market sentiment may change now from bearish to bullish, from selling now to buying, meaning what you expect is for the Asian high to be taken, or rather for the Asian low to be taken first. That is our strategy, for the Asian high to be taken, for the Asian low to be taken first, so that you can buy. And that's what happened. But it was not around the 50%. Let me show you. Around the 50% from this swing low. I don't know kama mnaona hii swing low, from this swing low to that swing high over there. Eko imefika 50%. So as taking this buy, haikuwa sawa. Taking this buy haikuwa sawa. So haiku tick box yetu ingine, because for me to take a trade, almost all the boxes zinafaa kuwa ticked. Meaning on Tuesday, no trades. Coming to Thursday, this on Thursday. Tutoe hiyo kwanza, this on Thursday. Remember that you're buying. Market sentiment is bullish. you expect the Asian low to be taken first so that you can buy. And what happened? Asian low was taken first, but hapa ilikuwa imekuja so close to taking Asian high. It was so close, so close to kill Asian high, making it almost invalid. But it took the Asian low first. Now we wait for a bullish candlestick to close above the EMA. Now it closed above the EMA at around 21 in saa tatu na 21:30, making it invalid because tukifika saa 6 we're not taking any trades towards the evening because for one there's no volatility and spreads increase, meaning on Thursday no trades were taken. On Friday we missed a trade. This color means missing a trade, and this one we missed it because of some rule I knew but I had never written down, so sikuwa nasoma, but I knew it. It's pretty confusing. And the rule nitawambia next time. Rule ni about this impulsive move, the consolidation, and when you take the trade. So we missed this trade. It was we were selling now because the market sentiment may change because there's a change here. There's a change of character. Meaning from buyers now to selling. We adjust because on Thursday we were looking for buyers. Now on Friday we're looking for sales. We adjust. The Asian high was taken first. Right there, Asian high was taken first. It's a very nice week. And at 12 noon, a candlestick closed below the EMA. Perfect. We took the sell. We could have taken the sell right there, targeting 30 pips. Stop loss 10 pips. A very nice trade over there. We missed that trade, but it's okay. Looking forward for more trades on Monday. We're expecting price now to bleed down even further because the higher time frame is in the 1 hour. Overhead is a break of structure. Break of structure means the continuation of a trend like this, and like this is a break of structure over here, a break of structure over here. Now looking forward to another break of structure down over these lows over here, these lows that are on date 8 May. Yeah, so that's the recap on USD Chef. We took 2 losses from that, but it's okay. We're going to recover that next week, hopefully. Now on GJ, a really confusing pair for me this time around. I don't know what's up. It was a 4-hour. As you can see, the market sentiment is bullish. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. We're looking to buy the markets. Keep in mind. So if you come to the 1 hour, there's a change of character over here. There's a change of character that happened. That high was broken. That change of character, meaning market sentiment is changing from what? From going down to going up. Meaning now we're no longer bearish the way we are. We were bearish. Why were we bearish? Because we were targeting the market to come around this place, around this trend line. So you come on a trend line. One touch, second touch, third touch, expecting the fourth touch around here. That's why we were bearish last the whole of last week. We were bearish on GJ. But something interesting happened over here, change of character, meaning now we are no longer looking for sales, we are looking for buys. The 15 minutes time frame, actually we took no trades on apart from this trade that was a loss, Ntelezei loss. It was a very nice loss, a very nice trade, and a loss. So what we do looking for next week is a very simple thing, because it is an impulse waiting for a correction in the 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, right around here. Then looking for we wait for a W pattern, we take the trade. Sorry, to delete here, to delete this one. Waiting for a W pattern over here, like so. Then you buy the market, targeting that high. Now for the loss that we took, or this one on Tuesday, am I right? Yeah, Tuesday. Everything was okay. Nilikuwa nishaelezea hivyo from the previous video. Price had pulled back to the 15 minutes to the 50% range of the impulse. That is one. That is one box that is ticked. Second thing, price has taken the Asian low, but here we don't really measure the Asian high or low. To tumeweka tu just for formality and just to add a confluence. So what we wait for, price to pull back to 50%, wait for W pattern. Then nilikuwa nimeelezea ndio hii hapa, kwa nimeichora vizuri. These are candlestick ya saa tatu, down, bullish, bearish again, and then a bullish candlestick that closed above the neckline. We put our limit order, our buy limit order over there. Stop loss 15 pips, targeting 45 pips to a 1:3. But unfortunately, it was a loss, a very good loss. Tulichukua hii loss, but it I could have taken it 10 times over because it's taking every box I have. But unfortunately, market ni market too. Ilienda venye kulienda. So that's the recap of last week's trades. Looking forward to nicer trades next week. Yeah, and also looking forward to PSG beating Arsenal. So yeah, see you in my next video.